Okay, so today we're gonna create some YouTube thumbnails. So just scroll down, okay, and go to social media and email headers, okay. Then click YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so there are many different YouTube thumbnail templates available. Okay, but first we need some royalty-free photos. Okay, so I'll just discuss why we need royalty-free photos. Okay, so why use royalty-free photos? Okay, it's because photos have licenses and you can just go to Google image search and steal some photos. Okay, you can't do that because you might get in trouble. Okay, if the owner finds out that you're using their photos without their permission, then you might get sued. Okay, so it's important to get royalty-free photos. Okay, so where to get them? Okay, so there are some sites that are paid. Okay, you can buy royalty free photos, or there's some sites that are just free. Okay, I'll show you both of them. Okay, so first let's go to Google and let's type shutterstock.com. Okay, so Shutterstock, this is one of the biggest websites for buying royalty-free photos. Okay, so let's just go there. Okay, so here you can type the kind of photo that you need. For example, man. Okay, so they have 190 million royalty-free images. Okay, but you have to pay for them. Okay, these are the royalty-free photos for the man. Okay, so let's see the pricing. Okay, so here are the cost. Okay, so 10 images per month is $29 per month. Okay, that is for the annual fee. Okay, but if you are going to buy only pay monthly, okay, so 10 images per month is $49 per month. Okay, 50 images is $125 per month. Okay, 350 images is $199 per month, and 750 images per month is $249 per month. Okay, or if you're using a single project only, so 5 images is $49. Okay, that is the cost of royalty free photos on Shutterstock. Okay, so I'll show you another website where you can get royalty free photos. So Pond 5. Okay, just type on Google Pond 5. Okay, so pond5.com is one of the world's largest stock photo and audio library. Okay, so you can buy royalty free photos here on Pond 5. Okay, so let's just go here, stock images. I'll just show you some. Okay, so you can just again type it here, what kind of photos you're looking for example office. Okay, so again, this is a paid site. Okay, you have to pay for the royalty free photos here. Okay, so let's just click one of the photos here. Okay, so you can see here the pricing for the XL size. It's $40 for this photo. Okay, that is 5130 pixels by 3420 pixels. For the large size, it's $28. Okay, that's 3420 pixels by 2280 pixels. The medium size is $16 and the small size is $10. Okay, so this is how much a royalty free photo costs in Pond 5. Okay, but I will show you a better site which is free. Okay, these are royalty free photos but it's free. Okay, so let's go to google.com and type pixabay.com. Okay, that's Pixabay. Okay, so just click that pixabay.com and this is totally free. Okay, so this is better than Shutterstock and Pond 5 because it is free. Okay, but if you can't find the photo that you're looking for on Pixabay, then I suggest you go to Shutterstock or pond5.com. Okay, so let's search for a photo on Pixabay. For example, let's type woman. Okay, we need a photo of a woman. Okay, so here's some available royalty-free photos on Pixabay. Okay, so let's, for example, let's click this. Okay, so you can see here that CCO Creative Commons. Okay, this is the license for the photo. Okay, free for commercial use, no attribution required. Okay, because some photos require attribution, which you need to link back and credit the owner. Okay, but this one it's Creative Commons, no attribution required. Okay, so you can use this for your commercial projects, and this is totally free. Okay, for example, let's download this photo. Just click this free download, and you can choose the size. Okay, so there's 640 by 399 pixels, 1280 by 799 pixels, and etc. Okay, so there's a large size. Okay, this is the largest size, 5340 pixels by 1336 pixels. Okay, so let's just download one of these. Okay, so just click the captcha and then click download. Okay, so it will just automatically download. Okay, so let's try that again. Okay, here. Okay, it's already downloading. Okay, so Pixabay, okay, doesn't only have photos, they also have illustrations, okay, and vector graphics. Okay, so Pixabay also has free vector graphics. Okay, so let's just go there. Go to one of the vector graphics here. Okay, so let's click one of these. And if you don't know what is a vector graphics, vector is a graphic type that even if you make it very, very big, it still doesn't lose the quality. Okay, so this is one of the examples of the vector graphics. And again, this is totally free for commercial use, no attribution required. Okay, so vector graphics is very popular with graphic designers because even if you make this very, very big, it will not lose quality no matter how big you make it. Okay, because the photos, okay, the regular photos, if you stretch it and you make it very, very big, then it will pixelate. Okay, the quality will become low. Okay, for example, you're gonna use one photo and use it for a billboard. Okay, the quality will be lower. Okay, it will pixelate. Okay, but if you use vector, then the quality will remain the same even if you use a vector for a billboard. Okay, for a very, very big billboard, it doesn't matter how big you make it, the quality will still remain the same. Okay, so in Pixabay there's free photos, illustrations, and vector graphics. Okay, so they also have some videos. Okay, so let's just um, see some videos. Okay, so if you're into YouTube, okay, you can find some royalty free videos on Pixabay. Okay, so here's an example of a royalty free video. Okay, so let's see our download. Okay, so this is our royalty free photo of a woman. Okay, so Pixabay is where you get royalty free pictures, videos, and vector graphics. Okay, so let's go back to our YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and let's choose one of the graphics here. Okay, so for example, this is our YouTube thumbnail. Okay, and let's upload a photo here. Okay, let's use the picture of the woman. Click upload your own images, and then let's go to look for the photo of the woman. Okay, so it's still uploading. Okay, so let's just drag the photo of the woman here. Okay, let's move that here. Okay, and then let's change the text. Okay, so we can make that top 20 makeup hacks. Okay, so let's just stretch it. Okay, and then we're gonna change the color of this one, the blue. Let's make it into pink. Okay, And then let's go to the background here on the left section, and then we can choose, okay, top 20 makeup hacks. Okay, so this is how to create a YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so now let's download this. Okay, so let's change here. Okay, okay, so now let's click download, and then choose PNG or JPG, either way is fine, then click download. Okay, so now let's go to YouTube. Okay, and then we're gonna change the thumbnails. Okay, so let's go to my channel. This is just an example. Okay, so let's click on one of the videos here, and then click edit video. Okay, so this is my channel. Okay, so if we're gonna change the thumbnail, let's go here. Okay, as you see here, it says change image. Okay, so there's 4 thumbnails here. We need to click on the last thumbnail. Okay, click change image, and then let's upload our thumbnail. Okay, so let me just check the title. Okay, click change image, and then type the thumbnail. Okay, so it's still uploading, so I'll just pause the video. Okay, so now it's uploaded. Just click save changes. Okay, so now let's refresh the video. Actually, it takes a while before the thumbnail shows up. I've experienced this. It takes a few minutes to update the thumbnail, but here you can see that it's already saved. Okay,